Hello, my witchies, and welcome back to my witchy kitchen where I share my magical recipes with you. Today, we are going to make some peppermint simple syrup to help spice up your holiday drinks this winter season. So, let's get into it. You'll need a pot, 4 cups of distilled water. I'm using the cold moon water I made to help release this past year and embrace the wonders that are coming in 2025. You are going to bring this water to a boil and add 4 peppermint tea bags. I tie these tea bags together to make it easy to fish out later. Peppermint is a very calming herb. It promotes health and helps with divination and developing your intuition. It also helps with digestion and reduces anxiety. When your tea has steeped for 13 minutes, you can remove the tea bags and continue to let simmer, turning this into a simmer pot, or you can add 2 cups of sugar slowly, stirring to make sure that the sugar has dissolved before taking it off the heat and letting it cool. Once cooled, transfer your syrup into containers and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. The syrup is great in tea, mixed drinks, or baking, just to name a few ideas. And there you have it, some cold moon peppermint syrup, perfect to enjoy this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my witchy content. Thanks for coming by my witchy kitchen. Remember, until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day you deserve. Stay warm out there, my witchies. Toodles for now.